Welcome back to another exciting geometry adventure. Today, we're exploring dilations, a special type of transformation that changes the size of shapes. Dilations are non-rigid transformations. That means, unlike translations, rotations, or reflections, dilations do not keep the shape the same size. Instead, dilations scale shapes, making them bigger or smaller, while keeping their overall form and angles the same. Imagine you have a triangle. If we apply a dilation, the triangle might grow larger or shrink smaller, but the angles stay the same, and the shape remains similar to the original. Dilations use a center point and a scale factor to determine how much the shape grows or shrinks. A scale factor greater than 1 makes the shape bigger, while a scale factor less than 1 makes it smaller. Let's see some examples. First, imagine a small square. If we apply a dilation with a scale factor of 2, the square doubles in size, but it's still a square. Now, think about a star shape. If we use a scale factor of 0.5, the star shrinks to half its size, but every point stays in proportion. How about a circle? A dilation makes the circle grow or shrink, but it always stays perfectly round. Dilations are everywhere. They're used in maps to scale distances, in art to create perspective, and even in photography when zooming in or out. Architects use dilations to scale their blueprints, and video game designers use them to adjust the size of objects on the screen. So, remember, dilations change the size of shapes, but keep their angles and proportions the same. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a transformation expert. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more math fun.